Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicwave.com, making this small video about Telegram channel. My Telegram channel, oftentimes people ask me how I put the signal there. So let me clarify that I do not give out signals like sell now or buy now. I do not recommend that because if I do that, then I become liable and people can come back and after me. So this is not what I do here. What I do here is that I post heads up about the setup, about I put the charts here with the possible buy and sell setup, like my Magic ID setup. So, for example, this is I post a small video showing and explaining that how this would, what I see about this index and what can happen in the pairs. So be ready, have your charts ready, and have the alarm on. So when the alarm, when there's a setup, the alarm will beep, and you will know. Plus, what I do is that, for example, here I post that looking for shorts now in EA and GA, right? And this is what's happening in Euro. And if this has happened, then what will happen is EA, GA, EC will have a chance to dive. Let's see. So Bitcoin, this is the before chart, that this is the after chart. When I said it's going to come down, it came down, and then I meant, this is going to go up, and it did. So when I say here, for example, looking for shorts now in EA and GA, later on, that means that I'm going to take the setup. So later on, you can see that I showed my GA short. I took it. EA didn't give me short, but instead GN was beeping for short. So I said, okay, I'll take that. And then similarly, the next day, you can see that GC is making a short setup. When I'm saying that making a short setup means the setup is there, and if it execute, I will open the trade. EC is as well. GN making a long setup. EN is making a long, right? All of these setups were there and I posted. And then later on, I post my trade to GA. I said it's making a long. Here's my GN long, EN long, pound yen. I said pound yen making a long, pound yen long, right? And similarly, a GU short setup, GU short setup and trade. GA making a long again, then GA somewhere here, you see it was a long, I don't know, I missed the chart. Now here again, the next day, see GC is making a short, EA is making a short, so GA short, EA short, right? All of these. Bitcoin is going up. Now here's the CAD index. This is what happened. When I said this chart, GC, EC, UC is going to go down, and then I post all of my trades in the bottom. Well, I didn't post here so far, but CJ went up. CJ was supposed to go up. Here's my CJ trade. Not the trade, but I'm showing that it went up big time here. CJ, and this is the possibility. So I had CJ long, I have UC short, EC short, all of those trades. So this is how I post, right? The charts, heads up. Heads up means if I'm saying that Bitcoin is making a long entry, that means I'm going to take it. And this is what my entries were, and it went up. Okay. So hope I, explained it the way it should be. And it's now clear that this is what it is. And saying myself, like buy now, sell now, then, sell, buy and sell recommendations make me liable, right? And people can come back and sue me. That's, I don't want at all, at any cost. I'm exposed. I'm not a hidden person. I am in the market for more than 10 years and, I intend to be there. And anybody can find me and sue me and all that. So I have to be careful. There's a lot of people out there. If you're looking for signal, just go on MT4, MT5, MQL community, or Forest Factory, something like that. There are too many people out there sending signals on WhatsApp and this and that, right? But I don't do that because I have to keep myself safe. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.